Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify playlist order. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify playlist order, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll go to click on storage, then we click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you find here update in this blue sign, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.